This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deanna Davis. Luxurious custom-built riverfront pool home oasis west/panoramic views of the Indian River. 5-bedroom plus office and game room boast open floorplan west/high coffered tray ceilings. Gourmet kitchen features induction cooktop, pot filler, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and generous island opening to the great room west/uninhibited river views. The ground floor master suite includes his/her walk-in closets, tray ceilings and spacious master bath. Take the elevator or stairs to second floor. Enjoy the spectacular sunrise watching the Playful Dolphins on the 10x18 covered balcony upstairs. Second floor has 3 bedrooms, office, game room west/wet bar, 2 baths and laundry room. This home has a variety of upscale amenities. Hurricane windows and doors. 200 feet dock west/8K pound boat lift. Heated pool, road drinking water. For more information, review the details below.